Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Friday morning forecast update. Going to start out near freezing again this morning, so a chilly start to the day, but a south wind returning, so we are going to start a bit of a warming trend that will take us into the low 60s today. It is going to feel much better than what we felt most of the week, but remaining fairly breezy today. The wind's actually switching from the north to the south, and that will be the main component here that finally scrubs some of that colder air out of the region here. But we are in the 20s and low 30s, definitely a frosty morning once again, so the car will probably need a scrape if you've parked it outside last night. A little bit of frost on the windshield there. Wind's pretty light to start the day, but we are going to have a sustained south breeze at about 15 miles per hour and the occasional gust up to 20 miles per hour today. And the south wind starting to crank up the dew point temperatures or the humidity today, which will kind of set the stage for some of that rainfall. Not only tapped into some of the Gulf air today, but likely we'll see some of that Pacific moisture make its way into the region as we're kind of tapped into the Pacific jet stream as well. And then little disturbance rolling through this weekend will give us a chance of rain showers. No rain out there today. We will see all day sunshine as high pressure is still close enough to us that it will give us a pretty comfortable day today. Taking a wide look at the region, we always look for that dip in the jet stream, and sure enough, you can see that in northern Mexico. And there's the clouds off the Pacific, so we're getting some of that Pacific air into the Arklatex as well, which will kind of set the stage for the rainfall over the next week. Heavy rain possibility for us. The weekend rain will be pretty manageable here. You can see the clouds will roll back in tonight. Expect to see a few scattered showers out there in the morning, but it's one of those days I think you'll be able to squeeze in some of those outdoor plans. It won't be a complete washout, but we will have some rain out there kind of on and off through the day. We get a decent push of rain and thunderstorms late Saturday night, early Sunday morning. Again, the threat of any severe weather is low, given the cooler temperatures, which will likely be in the 60s this weekend as well. And looks like we'll see some of those scattered showers on Sunday, but by no means is Sunday a washout either. So again, just make sure you have some backup indoor plans through the weekend. Looks like next week is when we'll see the heaviest rain, but we are expecting about half an inch to an inch of rain Saturday as well as Sunday. And then we've got a stronger cold front that will stall across the region next Tuesday and Wednesday. So there's a high chance that we'll see several days of rain middle of next week. Also low threat of any severe weather, but we are on the lookout for some heavy rain, maybe some flooding issues over the next week. You can see there are a good 2 to 4 inches of rain, and maybe some spots that pick up 5+ inches of rain, especially with what's coming in middle of next week. So again, your temperatures will drop off here into the 40s, and overnight lows will be in the 50s through the weekend, but we may have a few nights near freezing late next week.